Mr. Masih, I'm asking you questions. If I find that you are not giving me a truthful answer, you'll be prosecuted. Every word which you say, you'll be held liable for what you say. So, you're not in a political contest, you are in a court of law. Please understand that. It's a very serious matter. We have viewed the video on the last occasion. I want to ask you, what were you doing looking at the camera and crossing out, putting your marks to cross out the ballot paper?
Sir, there was a words, these councillors were making so much noise, camera, all these. And that's why I'm looking why cameras they are talking about. That's why I was looking at the cameras. There was so much drugs, camera. This was all the voice coming. That was the only reason.
But why were you putting marks on the ballot paper?
After completing the process of the voting, I had to sign all the ballot papers, and those ballot papers were defaced. I just given my just highlighting that it should not be mixed again. That was the only reason.
Why were you? It's very obvious in the video that you look at some of the ballot papers. Depending on whether the cross is at the top or the bottom, you put your signature and put the ballot paper in a tray. Where the cross is at the other end of the ballot paper, you put an X mark on the ballot paper. It's also very clear that you are putting the X mark in the ballot paper. Did you or did you not put an X mark on certain ballot papers?
Sir, no. What I'm saying, sir.
Please answer my question.
Did
you first answer yes or no? Did you put an X mark on certain ballot papers or did you not put it?
Yes, I marked on the defaced.
Alright, how many ballot papers did you put an X mark on?
It was around 8, sir.
So 8 ballot papers you put an X mark.
Yeah.
Right?
No text, just I think for the highlighting, it should not be mixed again the others paper. And immediately after that.
Speak in Hindi if you are comfortable.
Yeah.
It seems.
Yeah. जैसे ही वो सर हुआ उसके बाद इमीडिएटली आप पार्टी के एक काउंसलर मनोहर और प्रेमलता आए वो उन्होंने मैंने ये बोला कि इतना 12 और 16 8 हुआ है वो आए और उन्होंने आके सारे बैलेट पेपर को स्नैच करके भागने लगे और उनको डिस्ट्रॉय करने लगे फाड़ा और चंडीगढ़ पुलिस के मार्शल्स ने उनको आकर बचाया और वापस उन सभी बहुत जद्दोजहद हुई वहां पर जो ये आप काउंसलर थे इन्होंने लेकर भागने लगे इट इज क्वाइट।
पर आप बैलेट पेपर को डिफेस आप क्यों कर रहे थे?
सर मैं
आपको पता है आपका फंक्शन एक है, आपको बैलेट पेपर को नीचे साइन करना है, साइन कर सकते हैं आप, हर एक बैलेट पेपर को साइन करना है, पर आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे थे कि कोई चुने हुए बैलेट को आप उस पर आप अपना कहते हैं आप टिक लगा रहे हैं या आप क्रॉस लगा रहे हैं, आप वो क्यों कर रहे हैं?
सर वो
आप बताइए कौन से रूल के तहत आपको ये पावर दी गई है कि आप बैलेट पेपर पे अपना चिन्ह आप लगाएं, क्योंकि रूल 11 में यह लिखा है कि आप उसको साइन करेंगे। साइन करने के अलावा आपको कौन से रूल में ये कौन से रूल में ये प्रावधान है कि आप उसमें अपना कुछ या एक्स या टिक या कुछ भी जो आप लगा सकते हैं, आपको कहाँ पावर है वो?
सर वो मैं अगेन सर आई एम रिपीटिंग, वो जब मैंने बैलेट्स को देखा बड़े ध्यान से वो ऐसे दबाए गए थे कि वो क्वाइट विजिबल थे कि निशान देने की कुछ कोशिश की गई। That is the only reason, sir. I was not.
But why were you putting a mark on those ballots?
Sir, actually, to make this highlighting, it was defaced by the candidate.
So it's admitted that you put your marks on the ballot.
True, sir.
And on 8 ballots totally.
Yeah, and they snatched and destroyed immediately.
This answers what he did, Mr. Solicitor. Very clear as to what he did. He has to be prosecuted. I think interfering with electoral democracy by returning officers is the gravest possible thing.
I am for the administration, Chandigarh.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you got the learned SCs.